Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making my apple cider vinegar and baking soda shampoo to detox my hair. This detox is amazing at cleansing the scalp and has so many benefits for hair growth. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So what you're going to need for this detox is 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and water. Now, I've done this for years and years and years whenever I feel like my scalp needs an intense detox. And I always get science project vibes whenever I do it, so that's pretty fun too. So you're going to go ahead and put a half a cup of water into this mixture and mix everything up. And my favorite way to apply this is to put it in an applicator bottle. So my hair has been straight for the past week or so. I just straightened it to clip my ends, but I decided to go back curly because it just was not working. It was extremely hot. My scalp was sweating and I needed an intense detox. So this works amazing because baking soda has a high pH, which is going to open up your hair cuticles. And the apple cider vinegar is going to rebalance the scalp's pH and keep your hair moisturized. Now, I'm a huge fan of baking soda and apple cider vinegar in general. I just did a detox bath. If you guys want to see a video on that, I can definitely do that. But it's just so many benefits from using apple cider vinegar and baking soda. So I make sure my hair is detangled before doing this process, and I go ahead and apply the mixture directly to the scalp with the applicator. I'm going to go ahead and massage that in, and it's going to get any gunk, buildup, sweat, all the unnecessary things that could be blocking potential hair growth. Now I'm going to saturate my entire scalp with this and massage it in. Now I like to massage my scalp for at least 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that I properly get every single inch of my scalp. This also helps if you have a lot of dandruff in your hair. So for people who have those type of flaky scalps, this could definitely help with that. Now, this is a technique that I would definitely not do on every single wash day. I only do it about 1 to 3 times a year. This is not something that you will want to overdo. This is only necessary if you feel like your scalp is in dire need of a deep detox. So 1 to 3 times a year should be fine. So once I'm done massaging this into my hair, I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and brush it all throughout my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair and leave this mixture in my hair for another 15 minutes before I start the wash day process. So I went ahead and washed my hair with rice water shampoo and daily moisturizing hair conditioner. And a lot of you guys were asking if we will be having a 4th of July sale, and we are having a 4th of July sale. So you can use the code HAPPY4TH for 30% off site-wide at MariamHampton.com. And this sale should be going on from today to the 5th. All right, so this is how my hair turned out after I went ahead and washed and conditioned my scalp. My curls are back. My hair feels really, really refreshed. My scalp isn't itchy or sticky. I know a lot of people aren't big fans of apple cider vinegar, but for me, I personally love it. I've been using it for years on my hair, on my body. I even take shots of apple cider vinegar sometime, and it just has so many benefits. But remember that we are all different. Just because I like something, you don't have to like it. And just because you like something, that doesn't mean I have to like it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Mariam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care. And you can shop all of your hair growth needs at MariamHampton.com. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.